My name is Teja. I am from NewZen Infotech. My trainer name is Surendra sir. Today my topic is about polymorphism. Polymorphism means same object having different behaviors is known as polymorphism. For example, let's assume person is an object and behaviors of a person are student and employee or lecturer. Those are the behaviors of the person. In polymorphism, we have two types: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. First, compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is binding is done during the compilation by arguments is known as compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism is also known as early binding and static binding. We achieve compile time polymorphism by using method overloading. Method overloading means same in a class more than one method having same methods and same method name and different parameters is known as method overloading. Next, come to runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism means binding is done during the runtime by object creation is known as runtime polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism is also known as late binding and dynamic binding. We achieve runtime polymorphism by method overriding. Method overriding means whenever methods contain in super and subclasses